My name is Brian Pollock. Today I want to talk about the importance of deadlines in employment claims and for people with potential employment claims. Because what I'm going to tell you is that there are some deadlines that you don't really, they're more suggestions. There are other deadlines that are what we call hard deadlines, which means if you do not make that deadline, your claim is gone. You can't bring it and you can't bring it back. Once that date passes, you lose whatever you could have recovered beforehand. So these deadlines, a lot of them are called statutes of limitations. That's our term of art. It's the limit for how far you can go back. In employment law, there's different kinds of deadlines. There's some that apply to wages. There's some that apply to different types of wages like overtime, minimum wages, tip wages. There's other deadlines that apply to minimum wages under Florida law. We've got other deadlines that apply to certain types of discrimination and harassment claims and other ones for not providing notice of your rights under certain laws. The deadlines are different depending on whether your claim is against a public entity like a county or a state versus, let's say, a private employer, a regular business. Could be a small business, could be a huge business. All the deadlines are different. Without going through all these different deadlines, the key point is if you believe that you have a claim, don't wait. I've had clients come in and tell me, this situation has been going on and I haven't been paid correctly for the past 8 years. And I've calculated that I'm owed this amount of money because I haven't been paid overtime over the past 8 years. My response in that situation was, I think I can help you for the past 2 to 3 years, but after that, the money's gone. And I could recover what I can, but I can't do more than what the law allows. Likewise, with certain types of discrimination or harassment or retaliation claims, there's deadlines. Some of those deadlines are 90 days. Other deadlines are 300 days. And it's not just to file a lawsuit, it's to make that claim in the right arena. So sometimes you have to file a lawsuit. Sometimes you have to bring it to a county or other municipal body. Other times you have to bring it to, let's say, an investigative agency like the EEOC, or that claim can be lost. And it's not just bringing it to them, it's making sure that it's filed and they record it as having been filed by the deadline. And then after their investigation's done, you've only got a limited window to file a lawsuit if you're allowed to. As lawyers, it's our job to make sure that when we take on a case, that we comply with these deadlines. Because there are deadlines that are, let's say, not as hard, where you can get away if you're a couple days late. You can file a motion or make an excuse. There are other deadlines that if there's a problem and you can't file it because your computer's broken or the internet is down, it doesn't matter. The deadline's gone, it's blown, and whatever claim or case you think you could have brought, unable. So knowing and understanding that there's deadlines involved, it's in your best interest to act on them sooner than later. You can make a decision as to what you want to do, but you don't want to be upset and second guess yourself because you made that decision too late.